In the year 2022, FloLab was defeated by this guy. But in 2023, Zag crapped the bed with the XDR2 and FloLab is now number one again. Now, one of the most overlooked things when it comes to screen protector is the installation process. A lot of companies forget about that part. Not FloLab though, because this one-time thing is awesome. This thing is better than your typical install frame because your iPhone actually sits in the frame doesn't sit on the iPhone. And to make the install dust-free, they've got this massive sticker that you just kind of like slap it on your iPhone and pull instead of doing all the dabbing that you do with other brands. One of the cool things about their screen protector is that they statically put on their adhesive, so it just repels dust when you install it. Now, how is the product once the glass is on your iPhone? It's got one of the best oleophobic coatings that you get for 25 bucks. The coverage of the product is top-notch, but these guys are a hair stronger than the FloLab glass. But out of the 29 screen protectors I've tested, it still beats out 22 of them. So it's pretty strong. Want to see how the FloLab screen protector compares against these guys? Check out my top 5 video on my channel. Hit that like button because your iPhone definitely deserves the royal treatment in terms of accessories.